In this video, we will explain how to use Tangible Boost. Tangible Boost is a brand new monthly conditioning solution designed to restore the Tangible Hydra-PEG coating and maintain its benefits for the life of the lens. It is also a prescription-only product. Now, let's get into the step-by-step instructions. When you open your brand new Tangible Boost kit, it will contain one lens case, instructions, and a foil pouch containing the Tangible Boost solution. The first step is to combine both Tangible Boost solutions in the Tangible Boost case. Next, you will clean your lenses by rubbing in Tangible Clean multipurpose solution for 20 seconds. You will then soak your lenses in the Tangible Boost solution for 30 minutes. After soaking, you will dispose of the Tangible Boost solution, fill the lens case with Tangible Clean multipurpose solution, and submerge your lenses for 20 seconds to rinse. After rinsing, you will disinfect your lenses using Tangible Clean in their standard lens case overnight. Do not put your lenses in your eye prior to disinfection with your multipurpose solution. And that's it! After completing those steps, you have successfully boosted your Tangible Hydra-PEG coated lenses for the month. If you have any other questions about ordering Tangible Boost or need clarification on any of these steps, feel free to visit our website, tangiblescience.com, for more information. See you next time.